Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic pilau from scratch. Before I start, please take a second to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. To make garlic pilau rice, you will need to start with some pre-cooked basmati rice. If you've already got some made, that's great, but if not, I'll show you next how to make my BIR style pilau. If you've already got some pre-cooked pilau, then simply skip the video to around 4 minutes. I'll leave the times in the description. To make my pilau rice, you'll need 2 cups, that's 500 millilitres of basmati rice. I use the Layla brand green packet. Quarter a cup, that's 4 tablespoons or 60 millilitres of vegetable oil. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. 2 cups or 500 millilitres of boiling water. 5 cardamom pods. 2 bay leaves. A 2-inch piece of cassia bark or cinnamon stick. 1 star anise. 2 cloves and some optional food colouring powders. For the garlic pilau, you'll also need 2 tablespoons or 30 millilitres of vegetable oil, half a medium sliced onion, around 50 grams, 3 cloves of sliced garlic, and 250 grams of the pre-cooked pilau rice. Let's start by making the BIR style pilau. Rinse the rice with cold water until the water runs clear. For me, this takes about 8 rinses. Don't skip this stage or rush. It's important. Once clear, keep the rice soaking in clean water for 15 minutes before draining. Add the salt, cumin seeds, cardamom, bay leaf, cassia bark, star anise and cloves to the pan and fry over medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes until aromatic. Add the rice to the pot, then the water and stir gently. Bring to a boil, stir and cover the pot. Reduce the heat to its lowest setting and cook for around 15 minutes without lifting the lid, then turn off the heat. If you want to colour the rice, sprinkle a little bit of food colouring powder in patches over the top of the rice, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of each colour. Place the lid back on and wait for around 5 minutes for the steam to moisten the dyes and seep through the rice. Uncover and stir through gently with a fork. Now let's turn it into garlic pilau. Add the oil to a saucepan on medium-low heat and add the onions and garlic. It's important to fry them gently. You want nice soft garlic and onions flavouring the oil, not burnt garlic chips. Trust me, that will taste awful. When the onion has started to soften, turn up the heat to max and add the cooked pilau rice. Immediately stir through to coat for a minute or 2. Serve with a sprinkle of fresh chopped coriander and enjoy with any of my dishes. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.